check out these beautiful hiking shoes that were sent for my review. These are probably the nicest hiking shoes I have ever had. And one of the coolest things about them are the laces. I don't think I've seen anything like this before. So this is really cool. Someone like me, I hate doing laces. So being able to just slip them on. So you've got this like little device right here. And basically you push that and you can pull this. And this is like just it's not elastic. It's just like a regular string. So then you can obviously make them nice and wide and slip your foot inside there. And then when your foot is actually on, you just tighten them like this. And then of course you have this string and then you just go ahead and tuck that down in the front. Obviously when your foot is in there, this is not going to be all loosey-goosey. That's actually going to stay in place. And then so you don't actually have to be like worried about your shoe being untied or even bending down to tying them, because you can just do that. I think that's really cool. Easy slip on and go. You've got this really nice rubber sole right here. So this is going to be really good, if you're like hiking on any kind of rocks or gravel or anything like that. You're going to have a really great grip, and that goes all the way up to the front. You've got that really nice rubber as well. And inside, of course, if you've never tried these shoes before, the NORTIV V8, these ones got a really nice sole inside. So you've got some really good squish in there. You've got some really good support as well. And I mean, can we also just talk about the fact of like how stylish these are? I feel like I'm going to be the best looking hiker out there.